Hello everyone. Today we are going to be focusing on using colored pencils, and I know that a majority of you are already pretty comfortable with using this medium, but I'm going to just refresh your memory on some tips and tricks to use whenever we are adding value and blending colored pencils. So when you are making a value scale or going from dark to light, your colored pencil is going to behave very similarly, if not identically, to a normal graphite pencil. So here I am pressing really light on the left hand side and then pressing darker to the right. And then in order to mix colors of colored pencil together, I'm going to pick a green, and I am going to create another value scale essentially on the other side, but pressing harder on the left. And then as I bring it into the blue, I'm picking up my pencil lighter and lighter so that the two colors blend seamlessly together. And sometimes when I am blending two colors together, I will go back to my original color and just take a pass at the top layer with that blue just to make sure that my transition from green to blue is really smooth. Now that being said, there are two types of textures that can be achieved with colored pencil. Some people press rather lightly whenever they are using their colored pencil on a page, and some people press harder with their colored pencil to give that waxy, very smooth, almost opaque appeal on the piece of paper. And both of which you can still mix with another color. So I can take my green and still lightly apply it and blend it with my blue, which will also work if I press harder for my second circle. Both techniques can be used. They are both adequate textures. It just depends on what kind of image you want to create. So let's add value, let's add some blending to my coffee cup that I drew for our pen tutorial. And I'm going to lightly add my first layer of colored pencil. I'm not pressing too hard, but then to create some dimension, I'm going to press harder on the right where I already have that shadow. And I'm going to press harder in the top just to make it look like the cup has a little bit of depth. And I want to add an additional color to make this look more interesting. So just like I did at the beginning of the video, I'm going to add some yellow on top of my green and start blending the two colors together. You can still see the green, but there's just a little pop of yellow in there now. And I'm going to make my saucer blue. So again, a nice light layer because I'm going to be blending other colors in with it. And I'm going to take a darker blue to add my shadow. Of course, you can just press harder on the right, but I think that it would look more interesting if I introduce another color to my composition. And there you have it. We have blending, we have two different colors, we have value, and now I'm going to challenge you to do the same in your sketchbooks. Good luck.